6 of the best website builders. Hello guys, welcome to an epic and exciting journey through the world of website builders. In today's video, we are going to help you navigate the maze of options by comparing 6 of the best website builders on the market. So choosing the right website builder is crucial for creating an online presence. It's not just about your website looks, but also how it functions and performs. But before we dive in, if you enjoy tech reviews and comparisons, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So with this, our first contender is GoDaddy, a well-known name in the web hosting industry. It offers more than just website building. It's an all-in-one solution for web hosting and website building. It also includes hosting, customizable themes, visual editor, and additional features like e-commerce with email marketing and much more. Building your website on GoDaddy is very simple. You just choose the type of website you want to build. Choose a name and you have a pre-made website. And there's one problem with GoDaddy that it doesn't have a drag and drop builder. Means you can't place your text or images wherever you want on your page. So instead of that, you will be limited to placing them on predetermined position based on the template or structure provided by GoDaddy's website. And this means that building your website on GoDaddy will be faster, easier, and you won't have to worry about optimizing your content for mobile devices and other things. But this restriction also causes less flexibility when it comes to customizing your website. And GoDaddy has some basic features for email marketing, blogging, and e-commerce. But if you're looking for advanced features, it may not be the right option for you. GoDaddy offers a complete free plan, but you won't be able to use your own custom domain. And there will be an ad at the top of your website. So that's the problem with the free option in GoDaddy. And here on the GoDaddy's interface, we can see right here we get the option for domains, hosting, security, email, and marketing. So these are the features that you're going to get in GoDaddy on the top of their UI. And here is the customer care support. So GoDaddy offers the best customer support in the market, and it also has the help button right here. So accessing the customer support for your website inquiries and problem solving and troubleshooting all the problems is very easy on GoDaddy. You can also start a chat with them just by clicking on the start chatting button, or you can also get to their WhatsApp and ask them for their problems, and they will resolve your problem pretty quickly. So basically the advantages on GoDaddy includes user friendliness, excellent customer support, ad integration with their other services, but however it may lack some advanced design features and can be a bit pricey. And coming to prices, we are going to discuss the prices right here. We can see that professional email cost 29 rupees per month per user, and web hosting includes 119 rupees per month per user. And if you want to explore plans, just click on explore plans. And here we get to see that the individual plan is this and the team plan is this. With individual plan, you get the email that matches your domain, 10 GB of email storage, mobile friendly webmail, calendar, contacts, tasks, and work with the email app your choice. And there are some features that will be increased in the team plan if you give some more money. So for that, you'll get 30 GB of email storage, that is 20 GB extra than the individual plan. And you can share your calendars and contacts with your team that you don't get in the individual. And you can assign tasks to your team members if you take the team plan. And in the individual plan, you can't do that. And these were the basic functionalities for the team and individual plan. So these were the plans that you're going to get on GoDaddy. So this one is $0.35 per month. And this one right here is $1.9 per month per user. So you get the individual plan for $0.35 and you get the team plan for $1.9 per month and per user. And if you want to explore any one of these, you can just click on domains, and here we get the option for domain name search, auctions for domain names, appraised domain names value, transfer domain names, and these investing in domain names and all these features. So you can transfer your domains pretty quickly and easily using GoDaddy. If you click on the hosting button, we can see it provides web hosting plus GoDaddy website builder, tools for web professional, and under the e-commerce hosting section, you get the WordPress e-commerce hosting and GoDaddy online store builder. And in the servers, you get these kind of servers, and in WordPress resolutions, you get the only WordPress hosting option. So if you want to build a website, just click on go to website builder for GoDaddy and click on start for free. And after that, it will ask you to choose the perfect category. You will have to just choose a category and click on continue, type in the name of your store, and GoDaddy will quickly build your website's structure or architecture, and it will also suggest some customizable themes for your website. So this is the basic website builder for GoDaddy, and this is how it looks like. Here we can see that we have the option for website, themes, settings, and much more. We have the option for appointments, messaging, pop-up store. And here we can see that we have the option for preview and publish. So if you want to edit your website on GoDaddy, just go to their website builder, click on it, and you'll be able to start for free. So if you want to edit any one of these, just place your cursor there, and here we get the option for layout option, accent, title, and book button. So if you select any of these options, it will change that theme. And you can also edit that specific section of your website just clicking on the settings button. You can delete this section by clicking on layout. You can choose another layout for this section. For example, if I choose this, it will look something like this. If you want to change this custom background, you can also just click on this and click on delete section. And by doing that, you'll be able to delete that exact section if you don't want it on your website. And in the connect with us options, you can connect your apps. So for example, if you want to connect to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube, just go to that specific website and paste your YouTube URL or any of the social media's URL right here, and you'll be able to add that specific social media profile. So we can see right here, it's very easy on GoDaddy to build a website, but you don't get enough options or enough control over the editing and designing process. So if you want to preview it, just click on preview, and this will how our website will look like. And click on publish, and then you'll be able to easily publish your website on PC or mobile, and you can preview your mobile's website right here too. So that was basically GoDaddy, and these were all the advantages, limitations, and perks that GoDaddy's offer. And with that, now we are going to move to our next website builder, that is Squarespace. Squarespace is renowned for its visually stunning templates and emphasis on aesthetics. So it provides visually stunning aesthetics and templates. You can see right here on their own website, they look really stunning. These graphics that they provide looks really stunning. You can create a website, e-commerce can be made easy using this, and you can market your business using Squarespace, and that too very easily. So advantages in Squarespace includes beautiful designs and mobile responsiveness, integrated e-commerce features, but it might not be as flexible for intricate customizations. So basically, Squarespace provides mobile responsiveness with very great detailing, and it is also integrated with e-commerce features. So if you are interested or involved in e-commerce, you can use Squarespace and get stunning templates for your e-commerce stores. In order to get started, just click on get started, and here you'll see the options for making your templates with ease. You can choose any of the type. For example, if I have an online store and in the topic of art and design, it will match the best templates according to your preference. And here we can see that it has suggested us 7 templates that can be best for our use. So I like this one. So if I want to choose this, just click on start with Montclair, and it will set things up and prompt you to a website builder. So if you compare this Squarespace to GoDaddy, it offers a lot more flexibility when it comes to customizing your website. It also offers a great deal of website templates. And in a lot of industries like restaurants and photography and a lot more, you will be likely to find one that fits your need. All of them are completely free to use and have a clear and crisp design for your website. So using Squarespace, you can have a very good balance between flexibility and ease of use. And it also offers a lot of features, templates. It's also easy to use and very beginner friendly. So if you're looking to start a blog, Squarespace will be a very good alternative to all other options. It allows you to manage your content very easily without having to install a lot of plugins, and Squarespace has all the essential blogging features, like you'll need to optimize for search engines and organizing your content using tags, categories, or even creating members only area exclusive content. So Squarespace is great at hosting your podcast too. If you want to podcast using your website, you can use Squarespace. And they also have a free trial that you can take advantages of. So moving on with all the chatters, we are going to see the website's custom themes. So this was the theme that I chose, and this is my basic, and we can see right here it's really stunning. Click on the edit button at the top left corner, and here we get to see the edit option for our Squarespace. So it provides stunning templates if you want it. So Squarespace provides stunning templates. You can see right here in the editing section, I got these beautiful templates for my website. You can change these contact names and all these things too. You can change these pictures too. So Squarespace basically provides you with the best templates in the market, and you can just edit these templates, but there is just one problem, that you don't get enough of control over the design process. So because it provides only templates, you will have to just replace these things in this website, and you don't get to place all the things anywhere that you want. So you can edit these photos anyhow you want, see if your website looks good or not, and by doing this you will be able to make a stunning website for your preference. So moving on to the pricing for Squarespace, we can see right here that the personal Squarespace costs $16 a month. If you're into business, you can spend $23 a month. If you're into commerce, you get $27 a month, and in the commerce section you get $49 per month, and this will be with advanced features. So these are the basic features that you're going to get in every one of these. This one is the personal, business, commerce, and commerce advanced. So in the personal, you only get mobile optimized websites, templates to fit every need, and free custom domain. In the business option, you get all these extra features, and in the commerce, you get one more extra features, that is powerful merchandising. And in the advanced commerce features, you get the option for advanced shipping, advanced discounting, and self-subscriptions. And if you want to compare these plans, you can always click on compare plans and compare them accordingly to your needs. So these were all the basic features of Squarespace and the stunning template it provides. And moving on to our next website, that is Wix, the drag and drop dynamo. Wix is a user-friendly website builder with a drag and drop interface. So Wix provides a drag and drop interface that you can use to gain more control over your website. Advantages for Wix includes ease of use, a vast template library, and a variety of apps. But however, the free plan includes Wix branding, and costs can add up quickly as you scale. If you choose a free plan in Wix, you will have a Wix branding on your website, and most of the people don't prefer something like that. I personally wouldn't prefer it. So if you want to upgrade it to premium, I will show you the basic pricing and plans for this. So these are the basic plans for Wix. For the enterprise plan, you will have to contact sales and ask them the price themselves. If you are into business elite, you will have this plan at 1,599 rupees per month. That is nearly $85 to $86. And the business plan, you will have it at $9 or something. So if you want to grow your brand using the business plan, you can get it at $9 or $8. If you want the core plan, you can get it at $3 to $4. If you are a light user, you can get the basics at just $1 to $2. So these are the basic features that will be included in each of the plan. You can compare these plans just by clicking on compare plan features. And here you can easily compare all the plans according to your need and use. So in the core plan, you get 5 collaborators, and then in the business 10, and in business elite 15 collaborators. And these are the advanced features that you get with all these extra plans. You can always compare these plans, do it according to your need. Now I'm going to move on to the Wix website. So here we can see that we get this interface on Wix. So Wix comes with a lot of website templates, all of which are completely free to use. And Wix also have a drag and drop website builder. I will show you it right here. You can place your elements anywhere on the page. This gives you more control over the designing process. And on the Wix, it will take you a little bit longer to optimize your content compared to other platforms like Squarespace. And Wix also allows independent developers to create applications that add additional features to a Wix website. And by using Wix, you can also create a blog to turn your website into an online store or sell products. And when it comes to e-commerce, then Wix is a good option for small online stores or for people who already have a Wix website. So if the main focus of your website is going to be selling products online, then you will have to choose another provider. But Wix offers a completely free plan, which means you'll have to host your website and Wix domain, and you will have Wix ads on your website. And the cheapest plan starts at the pricing that I've shown you. And in order to get rid of the ads, you will have to buy a premium plan for Wix. So moving on to the Wix builder, we can see right here that we have these much options on Wix website. Every tool that you hover over, you will get a lot of options. For example, if I go to settings, I can get to connect domain, get a mailbox upgrade, and get found of Google, Favicon, business info, marketing integrations, and much more. And if you go to the site, you can get these options. And the best thing I like about Wix is it's user friendly and it gives more control to you over the website. So for example, if I want to move this text, I can move it anywhere I want. If I want to move this image, I can place it anywhere on my website, wherever I want to. So these are the basic and best features of Wix, that you get a more control over the whole section of your website. You can see right here that I've built this website using Wix, and you can also edit all these sections and you get a lot of templates for that too. If you want to add media, go to media and you will be easily able to drag and drop these files. So for example, if I want to add this wallpaper to my website, I will just drag it and drop it right here. My wallpaper has been added pretty easily. You can see right here, I've added this wallpaper to my Wix website just by dragging and dropping. So this dragging and dropping interface and feature is pretty cool on Wix. If you go to My Business, you will see this page, and here you can connect your business to your Wix website. So for example, if I want to add marketing, I will have these options. If I want to sell online, I will have these options. If I'll have to choose from service and events, I will have these options. In the media and content, I will have gallery, music, podcast, photography, video, and all these things. So if you're an e-commerce enthusiast, you can click on sell online and choose from these options. That will be pretty preferable for e-commerce users. And in the marketing section, we get ads, mobile analytics, social SEO, engagement, site listing, email, and conversation. So you also get visitor analytics, hit counter, and social media feed. And Wix also offers Wix business solutions that includes Wix stores, Wix bookings, events and tickets, table reservations, restaurants, and Wix blogs. So you can choose any one of these, and it's pretty easy to choose. You'll have to just click one right click and you will be easily able to get that template or feature on your Wix website. And here we can also change the site theme pretty easily. For example, if I want to choose the eclectic, I will just click on it, and here we can see that my website's theme has been changed to this. You can choose any of the color palette that you want. If I want a natural one, I will click this and my website will be connected and my website will look something like this. If I want savvy, click on it and your website will convert itself into that specific theme. If you have the pages and menu, click on pages and menu, and here we get to see that we have the menu and page for site and blog pages. You can choose news, contact, advertise, and much more options that you have. If you click on add sections, you will be able to choose from the sections that you can add on your Wix. So for example, if I want to add this section, I will just drag it and drop onto my website, and I will pretty easily add this section on my website. You can see right here, the drag and drop build interface is excellent in use. So these were all the basic plans and features that Wix provides us, and this was the basic website builder for Wix. Now moving on to our next section, we have Webflow. So here is Webflow. So Webflow is a designer's dream. It offers full control over the design and interactions. Advantages for Webflow includes complete design freedom, advanced interactions, and hosting flexibility. However, it has a steeper learning curve and may not be ideal for beginners. So Webflow is a complex thing and it is a designer's dream. So Webflow also has a drag and drop website builder, and you can get more flexibility and customization options when it comes to website design. So Webflow is best for designers and developers who are looking to build something customized and potentially more complex than your average website. However, it's definitely more of an advanced website builder that takes longer to learn. It won't be a user-friendly website for absolute beginners. So Webflow also contains an open marketplace for apps and website templates. So if you want to start a blog or create an online store, you can also do that with Webflow. And Webflow also offers a free plan that allows you to publish your website and domain. If you want to use your own custom domain, then you're gonna have to choose a paid plan that will be starting at a specific amount. I will show you the exact pricing for Webflow. So we can see right here we get the starter for free and it's for hobby and staging sites. We get the basic plan for $14 a month. We get the CMS plan for $23 a month and the business plan for $39, and the enterprise you'll have to contact the website Webflow. So we got a lot of option in the free option too. You get an entry level site, and in the basic option you get a basic site. In the CMS option you get a custom domain, and in the CMS option you get a lot of more features with your website. You can get a 50 GB bandwidth with 250k visitors, blazing fast speeds, 3 content editors, site search, 1k form submissions monthly, 2k CMS items and 150 pages. So it's a content rich site if you choose the CMS one, and it is also the most popular one on Webflow. So these were all the basic plans for Webflow, and if you want to edit your website or build a website on Webflow, you'll have to click on the new site option in the middle and you will be promoted to this page where you'll have to choose a theme. So for example, if I choose a portfolio starter or business starter, if I'm into business, I will have to click on customize, and then I will be able to choose the style, whether I want to choose minimal, elegant, organic, light, ambient or bold. So if I want my website to look more elegant, I will click on elegant, click on create site, and after that Webflow will promote me to this website, and here I can edit my web page pretty easily. So we can see right here, if I cut this is how my website is going to look. I can place any color overlay, I can edit this section. For example, if I want to add the margins, padding, layout, or if I want to edit this text into something else, I can do that right here. If I want to add other buttons, I can do that pretty easily too. If I scroll down, I can see the pricing plan for every user. I can edit it if I have an e-commerce website. If I have a business website, I can just put in the price that I will be offering to my customers. So if you choose Webflow, you'll have a lot of control over every aspect of your website. So you will have to have some basic knowledge for editing and web building. And here we can see we get a lot of advanced features like components, navigator, pages. We also get the SQL database and CMS collections. We can also get the logic chart or flows option, and Webflow is very complex for normal users. So if you are into coding or website building, you can easily use Webflow. It will be the best option for you. If you're not, then we'll move to another option. And with that, our next option is Shopify. So Shopify is the go-to choice for online stores, known for its robust e-commerce features. So the basic advantages of Shopify includes excellent e-commerce tools, scalability and a thriving app ecosystem. However, it might be overkill for non-e-commerce websites and comes with a transaction fees. So these were the basic advantages and disadvantages of Shopify if you use it, but it's the best for building websites if you're integrated into e-commerce. So for this, you can choose a customized theme, add your product and start selling. It's pretty easy. So it's quick for the business owners and e-commerce sections. If you want to start your free trial, you can type in your email address here and start a 3-day free trial on Shopify. So after logging into Shopify and validating your account, you will be easily able to create a stunning websites for e-commerce, and that will be pretty easy and quick. So this is the basic UI of Shopify. You can see right here we get the option for home, products, order, customer, content, analytics, marketing, discounts and online store. If you want to view your online store, you get to choose themes, blog post, pages, navigation and preferences. So if I want to add this template to my website, I can click on it and it will be added to my theme library. And then if I want to customize this theme, I will have to just click on customize button. And here I can see that this is how my website will look like. I can add any of the e-commerce products that I will be selling right here. You can change it. You also get the option for home, catalog and contact. And this is how your basic store is going to look like. You can add your email and description, and these are all the editing options that you get on Shopify. So it's pretty basic and simple for e-commerce user, and that best fits for suitable use of e-commerce. It's not a drag and drop website builder, so you can simply add elements and then customize them on their website. And everything will be fully responsive, so your store will look great on mobile devices. So Shopify is the best recommendation for anyone who wants to build an e-commerce website, and it's very easy to use and quick to use. And with that, we are going to move to our final website, and it is none other than WordPress. So WordPress is an open source giant that powers a significant part of internet That means it is mostly used on a significant part of the internet, and advantages for WordPress includes unparalleled flexibility, endless customization options, and a massive community. However, it may require more technical expertise and can become complex to manage. So WordPress is basically the most popular platform to create websites, and WordPress is a content management system, and it requires you to handle certain aspects of website management yourself, such as hosting and security, and that means you'll be fully responsible for managing all the hosting and security related plans on WordPress. So WordPress definitely demands you to have a certain level of technical understanding, and compared to all-in-one solutions like Wix or other platforms, it can be a bit overwhelming and difficult to use, especially if you don't have any prior experience. So you'll have to spend more time learning the tutorials and how to get a hang of WordPress and how to use it. And WordPress also gives you complete control over every aspect of your website. So any of the website that you will be building, you will have a complete control over it, and it is not going to put any of the limits on your website building. So you'll have access to a lot of plugins and software that is for more functionality. So you can add virtually any feature to your website that includes social media integration, e-commerce, and much more. And when it comes to design, WordPress has thousands of free paid templates to choose from, so it can make website look exactly how you want to. And there's also a drag and drop page builder. Going to the plans and moving to the plans, you can see right here we have the free for 0 rupees, we have the personal plan for 160 rupees, that is $2, we have the premium plan for 280 rupees, that is nearly $4, we have the business plan for 640 rupees, that is near to $7 to $8, and we have the commerce plan for 1152 rupees, that is nearly $12. So we can see all the plans right here and all their features that they include. So in the free plan also you get a lot of features included in WordPress website. In the personal plan you get only these, and in the business and commerce plan you get a bunch of extra options, and the storage space will also be 50 and 50 GB. You can always compare these plans just by clicking here on compare plans, and compare these plans according to your need, checking all these sections, choose a plan wisely, and use WordPress easily. And now that we have dissected each website builder, let's compare their key features side by side. Weighing their advantages and limitations, we can recommend GoDaddy for an all-in-one solution, and Squarespace for stunning aesthetics, Wix for user-friendliness, Webflow for design control, and Shopify for e-commerce. So if you're into e-commerce, you can get Shopify. And WordPress for unmatched flexibility if you are a great website builder and you have a coding knowledge in your domain. So as we wrap up, remember that the best website builder depends on your unique needs and skills. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any of these website builders or have questions, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights, tutorial, and helping videos. Best of luck for your website building.